In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a paper cutout effect in Canva step by step. This is a super popular design style that makes your graphics look layered, dimensional, and almost like real stacked paper. The best part is you don't need any advanced design skills to do this. Everything is built directly into Canva. So whether you're creating social media posts, thumbnails, presentations, or printable designs, this effect can instantly level up your visuals. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is add your image or shape to the canvas. You can insert a photo, a graphic element, an icon, or even a simple shape. Just head over to the Elements tab or Uploads and place your chosen item onto your design. The paper cutout effect works especially well with bold shapes, silhouettes, or illustrations, but feel free to experiment with anything. Once your image or shape is selected, go to the top toolbar and click on Edit Photo if you're using a photo. If you're working with a shape or graphic element, click Edit Image instead. In the editing panel that appears, scroll down until you find Shadows. Click on Shadows to reveal the different shadow options available in Canva. Here's where the magic happens. To create that paper cutout look, choose either Glow or Drop Shadow. Both can work, but Glow usually gives you more control for a clean, layered paper style. Click on Glow, and then click on the settings icon to adjust it properly. Now we're going to tweak the settings to make it look like stacked paper instead of a soft shadow. First, reduce the blur. Set the blur somewhere between 0 and 10. Keeping the blur low is very important because sharp edges make it look like real paper layers. If the blur is too high, it will look soft and unrealistic. Next, adjust the color. Instead of using black or gray, choose a slightly darker shade of your background color. For example, if your background is light beige, pick a slightly darker beige. If your background is blue, choose a deeper blue tone. This creates a subtle depth effect that feels natural and cohesive. You can also slightly adjust the transparency and offset if needed. Keep the transparency fairly solid so the edge is visible, and adjust the offset just enough so the shadow peeks out evenly around the shape. The goal is to create a clean outline that mimics a sheet of paper placed underneath. Now, to really sell the paper cutout effect, we're going to duplicate the layer. Select your element and press Duplicate, or use Ctrl or Command plus D. Move the duplicated layer slightly behind the original. Then change its color if you'd like to create contrast, or keep it similar for a subtle stacked look. Apply the same shadow settings to this duplicated layer. Again, use Glow with low blur and a slightly darker shade. You can repeat this duplication process multiple times to create a stacked paper look. Each layer should be slightly offset so it looks like several sheets of paper layered on top of each other. If you want even more depth, try alternating colors between layers, or gradually darkening each layer as it goes further back. This creates a realistic dimensional effect that really stands out, especially on thumbnails and social media graphics. Take a moment to zoom out and see how everything looks together. Adjust spacing, alignment, and colors until the layers feel balanced. The key to a great paper cutout effect is subtle shadows, sharp edges, and clean spacing. And that's it. You've successfully created a paper cutout effect in Canva using just shadows and simple layering techniques. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva design tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.